here.
You're getting close to finding the treasure.
Where haven't we looked yet?
Let's look under this pile of leaves. Yay!
Awesome!
You found the treasure!
Great hiding spot, Cat Rat.
Thank you! The pile of leaves was already there. It was easy to find a hiding spot.
Wow, there are leaves everywhere!
That's because the seasons are changing. I love all the different colors.
Hi, Pansy. Hi, Gabby.
Hi, Baby Box. Oh no! What's wrong, Benny?
Benny's a bit fussy today. I thought taking him out in the fresh air would help him feel better.
Aw, I guess the fresh air did cheer him up.
Or it was the sound of these leaves crunching.
If Benny likes the sound of crunching leaves, then let's find more piles of leaves to drive the stroller over.
Great idea, Gabby.
Do you see a leaf pile?
Here's a pile.
He really likes it.
Do you see any more leaf piles?
Look at this even bigger leaf pile. There are so many leaves to crunch.
Let's see what other piles of leaves we can find. It'll be a leaf crunching adventure.
Yay!
Yay!
All right.
Woohoo!
Hacha! Look at all these piles of leaves. You hit the jackpot, Benny.
Hey there, kitty cats. What are you getting up to?
Hi, DJ Catnip. We're crunching leaves to cheer up Benny Box.
He really likes the sound.
I do too. I was just making music to celebrate the fall season, and I think I'm missing a sound. Crunching leaves might be perfect. Can I record you crunching the leaves for my song?
Of course.
I think Benny is very excited to hear some leaf music.
All right, it's time to get groovy. I'm gonna play some music, and when I stop playing, that's your cue to crunch those leaves.
We're ready.
Awesome, let's do it again. Great, let's go one more time. Yeah, you really know how to groove. Thanks, everyone.
You're welcome, DJ Catnip. Who knew that crunching leaves could be turned into a game?
And be used to make music.
Let's boogie to our very own leaf music.
Oh, yeah!
We made music and made Benny Box happy. What a cat-tastic day.
Awesome! Yay! All right!
DreamWorks' Gabby's Dollhouse.